Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, today we are installing Sensational's new Butta Lace unit, you guys. This is their human hair blend unit. This is their human hair blend unit in Bob 12. The color will be shown in my description bar below. Y'all, this wig, I was too excited to try her out, okay? But we're going to get into some details about this wig. So, first things first, I am installing this wig glueless today. I did not want any type of holding spray, no glue, no nothing. Now, it does have adjustable straps in the back so you can make it tighter and make it like a more snug fit. I would also recommend wearing like a wig grip with it if you don't want to wear any type of like product around your forehead space, around your hairline. A wig grip would also be a great product to use or tool to use when wearing your wigs without any product. You can find the link to the one that I have in my description bar below. It's linked with my Amazon favorites. Now, I did tint the lace. I am going to end up plucking the front a little bit as well because it was a little bit thick. The hair was, it's human hair blend, so you get your synthetic fibers in there as well as your human hair. Personally, I felt like the wig felt a little bit more synthetic than it did human hair, which, I mean, is fine. You know, you were paying an affordable price for this wig. We'll just jump into some of the things that I did not or was not that much of a fan of. The first thing is going to be just how the hair came out of the packaging. It was giving me flipped. It's very awkward where it ends, so it's like not really falling like straight into the style like I would like it to, if that makes sense. So like the back of my hair just had a lot of like bands in it, and you know, you just have to put some heat on it and get that right. And I guess the reason it bothers me is because I've gotten synthetic wigs before in the past that are in bob shape, and they don't, you know, have all of this extra work that's needed to be put into it in order to have it sitting right. And I don't know, like, I hope that makes some sense. I don't want to get too deep into it, but that was like one of the main things I noticed about the wig that I just wasn't a fan of. The second is like the texture. I kind of touched on that earlier. I feel like it was giving more synthetic than it was human hair, and it was in sense of like, I guess I expected less silky, and my wig was feeling a little bit silky, and I wasn't a fan of that either. But to get back on a good note, the color of this unit is beautiful. I do love the density of it. The lace was really good as well. Of course, I did pluck it some, but I feel like I could have wore it as is without it. It's big head friendly. There was no shedding going on. So overall, it had more pros than cons to it. If you guys have tried this unit out, let me know how you felt about it in the comment section below. Would I still suggest trying this wig out? Absolutely. I definitely would, because honestly, I would love to purchase this unit in like a 2-color, because sometimes the units that are colored, they do react a little bit differently than the units that are more of a darker or natural shade. So I would definitely try this one out in another color. Rating wise, I would give this unit probably like an 8 out of 10. It's good. It's not my favorite, but it's still good. And I mean, even with what I had that was bothering me, I would still for sure wear this unit again, like no doubt. I would definitely wear it again. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think about it though in the comments. Like I always say, I'll be reading these comments, trying to see what y'all think about it and how you feel about it. But yeah, for sure, let me know your thoughts if you plan on trying this unit or if you have already. Thanks to Sensational for sending over today's unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.